In this video, you'll learn how to book connecting rooms on Expedia step by step so you can keep your group or family close together during your stay. We'll go from the very beginning of the process all the way through to completing your reservation, and along the way, I'll point out a few tips to help improve your chances of actually getting those connecting rooms. Let's start at the beginning. First, open the Expedia website in your browser or launch the Expedia app on your phone or tablet. The layout is slightly different between the web and the app, but the overall flow is basically the same, so you can follow along either way. Make sure you're on the stays or hotels section, since that's where you'll be searching for rooms. Next, search for a hotel in your destination. Type in the city or specific area you're traveling to, then choose your check-in and check-out dates. Set the number of guests and rooms you think you'll need. Even though you're aiming for connecting rooms, you should still enter the total number of people staying, so Expedia can show you properties that can realistically accommodate your group. Once everything looks right, start your search. When the list of hotels appears, this is where filters become very helpful. Look for filter options related to room type or amenities. Some versions of Expedia give you a specific filter for connecting rooms, while others may list them under family rooms or family-friendly options. If you see a filter for connecting rooms, go ahead and turn it on. If you don't, try selecting family rooms or larger room types instead, because those are often more likely to have connecting configurations available. Now, scroll through the hotel results and look for properties that mention connecting rooms in their description, room details, or amenities. Sometimes this shows up under specific room types, like connecting room or 2 rooms with connecting door. Other times, it may be noted in the general hotel description as something you can request. Choose a hotel that clearly offers connecting rooms, or at least mentions them as a possibility, and then select a room option that best matches your needs. Once you've picked the hotel and room type, continue to the booking details page. This is where you'll enter guest information and confirm payment. Look for a section labeled special requests, additional requests, or something similar. This is extremely important. In that box, type a clear note such as requesting connecting rooms for our stay, and if needed, include the number of rooms and guests. Keep the wording simple and polite. Remember, this is a request, not a guarantee, but adding it here helps the hotel see what you need before you arrive. Finally, review all the details of your reservation: dates, destination, room type, number of guests, and the total price. Make sure everything is correct, then complete the reservation by confirming your payment. After you receive your confirmation, it's a good idea to contact the hotel directly closer to your arrival date to reiterate your connecting room request, referencing your Expedia booking. That's all there is to it. By using the filters, choosing a hotel that mentions connecting rooms, and adding a clear special request before you complete your reservation, you'll give yourself the best chance of getting connecting rooms booked through Expedia.